Hello, this is a tutorial on how to do a 20% water change for your betta fish. Right now we have a 1.5 gallon tank with the betta winry and the ghost catfish alphons. First thing we're going to do is we're going to turn off the light and take off the lid. Next we're going to take out the filter. Now it's recommended that you change the betta's water about every 2 to 3 months. And what we're going to do is we're only going to do a 20% water change, and the reason being is because if we change the water too much, all of the good bacteria which has been growing inside of the tank will be eliminated, and because of that it could actually harm your fish or kill them. So what I have here is I have a new filter, and this filter I have rinsed under tap water to help get rid of some of the dust. Now I'm just going to stick it back inside of here. Now I'm going to let all of the, so you can see all the filter water running back on it. So now it's installed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this betta cup and I'm going to start taking out 20% of the water. Now for this tutorial I'm just gauging approximately how much is 20%. So remember, this is a 1.5 gallon tank, so you shouldn't have to take out too much. I would say that's about 20%. I'm take it a little bit more just in case. Now next, I do have purified water. What this is regular water that has been in tap water. And I have dechlorinated it by putting a few drops of dechlorinator in it. It has sat overnight for 24 hours, and now I'm going to pour it inside of the tank. You could do this two ways. You could pour it directly into the filter and let it overflow. And since this is a new filter, it may be good because you're able to get the carbon which is inside the filter. Or if not, you could put it directly in. Now when you're pouring it in, if you notice, this is a great time to actually clean off your tank. So I like to keep paper towels around. There's a little bit of scum buildup, which is just food and plant matter, which is built up around the tank. So I'm just going to take a paper towel. This is the cheapest and easiest way to do this, and clean it up. This is also the opportunity to take out any ornaments you have or dead plants that you have. So I'm going to continue to fill it up. And if you look, right here is where the water is, and I'm going to put the water to right above where the water line actually is going to hit the new water that I'm putting inside of here. So here, a little view. Maybe able to. Now to finish off, I'm going to put the top back on. Turn the light back on. Now if you want, you could feed them. Normally I do not like to feed them after I give them a water change, because right now both the fish inside of her are most likely going through a little bit of stress. So I will not feed them. But this, if you want to know the type of food I feed them, I do feed them the Vitamin Tetra Tropical Medley. I do this because it's supposed to have color enhancers inside of it. And I give them about a pinch once a day. And that is how you do a 20% water change.